Right. Okay, so we're talking about temperatures with Emily, and really in most areas of our viewing area, it felt great out there.
Yeah, in most locations. Closer to the lake, though, totally different story. So we had a cold front that moved through early today. Now we have that northeasterly wind flow, so it's made a really huge difference in our temperatures. This is a look at our 24-hour temperature change. So in comparison to yesterday at this very same time, many locations are running about 20 degrees colder than what we were experiencing. So close to the lakefront, we are finding 50s and 60s. It's 54 degrees now at the lakefront, but we're at 64 at O'Hare, 70s for Aurora. Same thing in Morris at 74 degrees. It's 82 degrees out in LaSalle, Northwest Indiana, sitting in the 60s for the most part, but we are a little bit cooler in Gary, down to 57 degrees. Over the next couple of days, temperatures, we are staying on the cooler side of things Thursday and again on Friday too. Average high temperature for this time of the year is 73, but we're going to start to climb above that as we go into this upcoming weekend. So just in time for Memorial Day weekend, it looks really nice. We're going to be in the 70s Saturday and Sunday. By Monday, we should be in the 80s, and most, if not all, of next week looks like it's going to be holding steady in the 80s. So your temperature outlook for all of next week, notice how we are favored to see those above average temperatures sticking around. If you're hoping for rain, unfortunately, I do not have good news for you in that category. We have some rain that's further off to our north, and some of our models are trying to bring that into our area. I just don't think it's going to be the case for us tonight. We have a really dry air mass still in place, and that's going to be the story as we go through tonight and into tomorrow as well. So futurecast, we have our cold front that is now further off to our south. We have the northeasterly winds, and those are going to remain fairly persistent here over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, we have that flow right off of the lake again, so that's going to keep temperatures only warming up into the lower 60s in the city, 50s at the lakefront. I think the further inland locations, we're likely going to be seeing our high temperatures topping out in the upper 60s tomorrow. It's still going to be pleasant, lots of sunshine, but again, it is going to be breezy tomorrow, and we'll keep that going into Friday too. High pressure stays in control, and it's going to remain in control through the upcoming weekend. So lots of sunshine for Memorial Day. Tonight, 48 degrees. That is about 5 degrees below normal for this time of the year. So it is going to be a cool start to our day tomorrow too. 40s area wide, 63 for your high temperature tomorrow. We should be pretty close to 70 on Friday, lots of sunshine. And then on Saturday, 74 degrees for the high, upper 70s on Sunday. By Monday for Memorial Day, we're going to be around 82 degrees, and then the 80s, they're going to continue for most, if not all, of next week. We're talking mid-80s Tuesday and Wednesday, and some models are actually spitting out 90s. I'm not buying it yet, but there's a chance. Natalie.
All right. Thank you, Emily.